now entering Fastoon. Touching down in 5, 4. Oops, 3, 2, 1.
What the... Where is everyone?
I tried to tell you, Ratchet. The database said this planet was deserted ages ago.
You see that? It's an old ship! We have to fix her.
Ratchet, we must be practical. Tachyon will find the pod's flight codes. He will be here any minute.
Clank, please. I need to fix her.
Oh, very well.
Do not be afraid. We are here to help you destroy it. Hey, the return.
Oh no!
Okay, I think we have all the parts we need. Let's get to work. This! Yes? Yes! It's working!
Miserable little prophet. I can't believe they used Ticker-Rather. What a bunch of cheese! Oh, and knockbacks. I thought I'd never see one again. Thanks for repairing me.
Mad for mayhem, crave carnage, adore destruction? Well, today is your lucky day. You have been invited to participate, witness the greatest, bloodiest, goriest battle in the universe, the Imperial Fight Festival. Rated M for mature. Come on down to Planet Mukau and enjoy a night of entertainment without any ulterior motives or deception. Offer only valid for fuzzy, long-eared orphans and their tiny robotic companions.
That sounded like Captain Quark.
Which means it's probably a trap. But it's our only lead. Let's go see what he's gotten himself into.